Essentially shows that we've missed the geologic record equivalent to about 1/3 the age of the Earth here. The gneissic texture order.
Lower dip here in the Front Range Cretaceous formation is maybe about 25 degrees or so, maybe a little less. The reason why we just diverge here is the reason why I have hard hats on is if you go you just want to have a hazard with the rocks coming down and chance for safety anywhere. We're up at the crop feet of movement. All right. There was a paper put out here that described this as a hydrothermal deposit blocked by a damming fault. And this is the fault that they're talking about. All right, other things to see here. At this bucket, I've got some hammers for you out-of-town guests. About your knee level? How about knee level? You can take a look in that area for the ilmenite. Okay, that's the moly sulfite hydrate. Okay, I will join you now at the outcrop, or if you have any questions, I'll wait here for a minute or so. If you need...
Can't remember, but yeah.
I spray painted. It was reading 3 MR when we checked it. There's another one around.
But here's the key. If you look on the next page, you see how they handle the ore. The hornblende gneiss is mostly the black rock here you're looking at right here, and I don't see any mica schist here. Sam, I think will find a piece when he.
And in front of the portal, okay?
Yeah.
Right out. Oh. To show how much malachite it is, and I was really proud of that. That came from the mine. Boy, look at this. About a year ago, carrying this rock around, I said, hey, this thing's a little bit anomalous. Well, it's 20 times background. I decided to saw it. And I was just aghast at what was inside of here. So when you get by here, have a look at the top of this.
And as you go up in that direction here, the first unit that you run into that you can pick out is a quartzite. And then beyond that, calc-silicate alteration or the synform like that. And they are parallel. I know direction here is kind of hard to do, but the veins are parallel to the Roberts Reef, or the Rogers Reef. It runs up the hill in that direction there. But we have the mica schist here. That's that rock that I threw down there. We salted the outcrop somewhere along there with a sample, but somebody wanted it worse than we did, so it's not there anymore. And then the garnet biotite schist and gneiss, that's what's primarily mineralized, that one right there. And then the quartz biotite schist is this unit here. That's not really well mineralized. Neither is the quartzite that is right around the corner. A lot of you notice the red color in the quartzite. When you drill through the quartzite, it's not red. Okay, it looks like this. And that's some sort of secondary iron oxide. And then you have the lime silicate here, and that's up the way more. And then you have these pegmatites. And these pegmatites are the 1.4 million year pegmatites.
You'll get an example of the core. We also picked up some pieces of outcrop. We have some trace fossils out here. We're plunging very deeply, 14,000 feet of sediments. So they're large-scale basins.
Basically, as in other operations, we have a monitor ring, but in Colorado, it looks like we may also have a compliance one.
And then is that in the Actually, it looks like Sharp Drilling has just finished underwringing a well here. The equipment you see up there, that is for putting the gravel in the well. And we have a kind of pipe all the way back up to where we're confident we're back to what is the standard. You know, it could be continuously formation. Nothing really continuous there as far as sands go.
Did you get any holes in the Laramie up here?
Yeah, there's a lot of lignites up in the Laramie. You see a lot of lignites.
In these cuttings, where would you place the contact between the Laramie and the Fox Hills?
Laramie and the Fox Hills, he's kind of destroyed. There should be a good lignite right around 470 or something.
As long as it says pointing away from you, you're safe.
He's going to have a story when he gets home.
This is the line? Yes. Okay.